the real late braking point, and you were after. Braking anyway, yeah? But next time brake at the blue cones. Yeah, the first initial brake can be a bit better, but the rest was really good. Good line also, very controlled. Next up, just a little bit later braking, and the first initial brake a bit harder, then everything is perfect. So number 2.5 is the yellow one. Was a good brake, not bad.
Okay, next lap, we're shifting to S Plus mode. How was the first lap?
It's good.